low tide right now. So I hope my mom doesn't come here. If she do, I'll let him cook now. This is a beautiful sun. I think. Huh? I'm videoing right now. Why? Do you want to face ribbon?
Dito ka lang, huwag ka lang mag-video. Maya pa tayo maliligo.
Ayaw mo ipakita yung ano mo?
Alin ko.
Sige. So, this is the Matamungkay Hotel. So, it's kind of sandy right here. Okay. There's a stone there. This is over. I hope this will. Oh no! I am scared of ants. Not be scared. I am scared of going. I'm good. This would do. So this is the Matamungkay Beach. Beach. The B-E-A-C-H. Yeah. Someone there doon. Napili yun. So, wow.
Doon tayo?
Saan?
Doon o? Sa low tide?
Hey. So, this is